Tracy with the Stemmen team. Welcome to our series on tips for getting your home ready to sell. We wanted to provide you with some simple suggestions that will help get your home looking its best and get you top dollar with your sale. If you're thinking about selling, please reach out to us. We offer free consultations. We hope that you enjoy these, and please let us know if you have any questions. 9 things to do to get your home ready to sell this year. Number 6, small fixes. Hopefully at this point, any large renovations are done. Let's focus on items like light switch covers, knobs, and fixtures. Do a walkthrough and make sure small items are touched up. Some of these include loose wires, hinges, burnt out light bulbs, electrical covers, doorknobs, and matching fixtures. These items will show pride of ownership and give the buyer a feeling that the home was well cared for. Let our experience move you. Text today and we'll help you get started.